9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go.
Hey, push me! Go one! Do that!
Slowly feed down.
Okay, my bad. Go on, straight! Okay. Okay. The what? Okay. Nice job, man. Nice job. Oh, sorry. My bad.
It's gonna hurt. It's gonna suck. Come on, guys. Get aggressive here. Let's go. You guys got about 1 minute.
Oh, sorry. Good?
You got it.
Check your corner. Check your
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. My bad. I'll take it.
Alright, you got about 2 minutes left.
Oh, this is about to get intense.
Alright. The game is going to get 30 seconds. You guys got 30 seconds left.
Okay.
Give me your thoughts.
Okay.
Come on, let's see how this goes. Survivors, can you make it? You guys got 4 minutes left.
Okay. Yes, sir. I already got him. Okay.
Yes, sir. Shoot.
Get one.
That was too easy, guys. That was too easy. Mark, you're set. Shoot. Don't let him win. Yeah. Oh.
Hey, Nico, what's on your corner?
Yeah. Yeah. Up.
Okay. Oh, my bad.
It's your boys.
Fuck him. You got hit. Okay. Good job, man. Hey, yo. You want to push?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll follow you, alright? Oh, wait, what are you? Oh, my bad, man. I got him. My bad. Okay.
Let me get a good look at you and determine your skill based on your clothing, equipment,
Hey!
and however I'm feeling.
That's racist.
I know.
Oh.
I don't care. You, this determines who goes on which side.
Oh, look, what's that? I told you to be a tie.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, do that again.
I'm bad with
Alright,
Go.
Oh, okay.
okay.
Go on.
Yes, cool. You got it, bro.
I'm not gay like that.
Red, entering the office.
Oh, okay. Alright, let's go to shot, guys. Hey, right here.
Time to go around.
Oh, fuck you, dude.
Uh-oh. moving around, close, move fast. Don't like that. Oh, red. One went down, going to the respawn. Blue is completely countering and lighting their ass off with the shotgun. Is he doing it? Minute 30 seconds, come on. Let's just max, let's see some movement. Y'all are speed suckers, right? Y'all gotta move.
I don't wanna.
Why are you flashing?
Huh? What?
With a flashlight.
Oh.
Sorry. Already recognized.
Wait, come on, guys.
Right into your home. Closing your home. These are flying. Looking around. He's doing the same. He's doing the same. He's going right to you. You got the eyes in the back of your head.
Hey.
What are you doing? Oh my gosh. This is hilarious.
I'll take it, please. Please,
Okay.
Already played. You have 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining on the clock. Make your move. 20.
Oh, my finger.
Oh man.
Oh, sorry, you're good. Oh, are you not out?
Oh, player down. He's the last people. Oh no. Alright. Slow tactics. Ain't gonna do it. Got a bruising and they're coming in. Oh! Oh! And a double.
Oh.
Oh! Then you got the great office.
Hey, you're pushing.
Engaging blue team from official office.
Hi, Nico. You want some love? Are you hit?
These are hard treatments right now. Y'all there. Oh, it's a
He's right behind that wall. You can't. Oh! Ah! Hey, you're good. Hey, come on, man. Hey, come here. Right, yeah. What? Oh, alright, my bad. My bad. Bye-bye. Oh, hey, you got me. I hit your foot. I'm backing off. I'm backing off. I'm backing off. Oh, hit. You got me. Yo, guys, let's push. Come on. Guys, let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh, hit.
It's on the ground somewhere. It is literally by the sheriff's office.
Oh, hey. Throw it, throw it, throw it.
You can't hold it any longer than 5 seconds.
I did it.
Where's that
Why
ball?
is this cheaper checking so much?
Where's that ball? I really can't find that ball.
Go, go, guys. I don't care. Okay. Come on. Yo, if you got hit, go with spawn, man. Well, then don't complain about it. Damn.
Hold it. 6, 5,
Also, I can't tell if it's like in a backpack, but I.
It happens.
1.
Oh? What?
The chicken has been thrown.
Okay, what?
And you can go. The chicken has been thrown.
Owie! Oh. Oh, God damn.
Taking base.
Hey, pushing us. Oh, shoot, my bad.
Oh, he picked up the chicken and he dropped the chicken. He dropped the chicken. The chicken is by this building.
Oh, whoa.
The chicken is by the building where I am standing. Grab it.
Oh, hit. Friendly fire.
All right, grab that chicken. Come on. It's like right there in front of your face.
Let's go, guys. Come on. Go.
Come on, guys. You got 3 minutes. Go eat that chicken.
Oh, hey.
Nice exchange of bullets. Come on, guys. Get a glass of beer. Find that chicken. Look for it. Be careful. Don't be afraid to get that chicken on the other side of the team.
Ah.
Look at that chicken.
Oh, fuck.
Look at that chicken.
That's not good.
You guys got 30 seconds. You all got 30 seconds. 30 seconds till that chicken is no. The chicken crossed the road. That's a good question.
Oh! Again!
It's my